So good day, my name is Angel Yuso from BSBE 1B. So my main goal in life is to finish my education and build stable career and live a purposeful life. So to achieve this, I need to graduate on time with good academic performance, while also developing strong skills in communication and leadership. So as a student, I must learn to balance school, family, and personal responsibilities while maintaining financial stability, discipline, and proper time management. So to support this, I have created different types of plans. First is operational plan. So for my operational plan, I will pass all of my subjects this semester by submitting requirements before the deadline, and I will maintain a consistent study schedule of 2 to 3 hours daily. So in my tactical plan, I will attend webinars and online courses to improve my communication skills and save part of my allowance weekly to start an emergency fund. For my strategic plan, I will focus on graduating with good grades and valuable experiences that can help me build my future career. And lastly, I have a contingency plan. In case of unexpected situations, for example, if I fail my subjects, I will retake it immediately to avoid delays in graduation. And if financial problem arise, I will seek a part-time work, scholarships, or government aid. That's all for my plan in my life.